Okay, so these are my eggs that are going inside of my potato salad. These are the eggs that are going on top of the potato salad. We have some sweet relish, sweet salad cubes. We have some spicy brown mustard because that's what I had in the refrigerator. And we have some mayonnaise, Miracle Whip. Yeah, I said it, Miracle Whip, because that's what I like. Some bell peppers. We're going to use about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons for our potato salad. Some black pepper, some seasoning salt, and some sugar for my potato salad. I'm not adding anything else, y'all. I got some celery. It's finely chopped. I'm gonna put some of this in here as well. I minced the onions as well. I just don't want no hunks in my food, so the mince is gonna work perfectly fine. So we grated it. Look at that onion, it's grated. They ain't even gonna be able to see it in the potato salad or the dressing. Yep. So we're gonna have our onions like this for the dressing and our celery. Okay, here is my potato salad. It is done. I tasted it, I like it. I really like potato salad, y'all. Alrighty.